In a quiet town, Sam played his guitar on street corners, pouring his heart into every note. He longed for recognition, but feared the spotlight. One rainy evening, a passerby stopped, captivated by his melodies. Unbeknownst to Sam, this stranger was a talent scout, looking for fresh sounds. Impressed, he invited Sam to perform at a local festival. Nervously, Sam accepted. On stage, the crowd's cheers drowned his doubts. That night, he discovered a power within him. As his songs echoed through the venue, he embraced his gift. From obscurity to fame, Sam became a voice for the unheard, inspiring others to chase their dreams. The reluctant hero had finally arrived.